Backbone has 5 components that you can use pretty much any way you want. Events, which provides any object the ability to publish or subscribe to custom named events. It's a great way for building loosely coupled applications. Models, which include the application data as well as the logic around it. Collections, which are ordered set of models. Views, which are responsible for rendering the models as well as listening to any events raised by the document object model or DOM or the events raised by the model. And finally, routers, which are used for building single-page applications. They're responsible for responding to changes in the browser's address and invoking some handlers. The handlers will present different views to the user as they navigate in the application. In the next lecture, I will show you a real-world example of a Backbone application. Thank you for watching.